Guys, welcome to my channel Technical Gautam. So I again upload a new website. It is a realized website. It's basically a Bitcoin website. Here you get enough Bitcoin, but just a simple sign up and leave it. You need to sign in just a one every day. Here automatically generated Bitcoin for you. Now how this is proceed, so let's start this video. Before starting video, I requested you to subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. So now start. Before you get a link of this video in my description, where you click you redirect this page. After redirecting, you have seen this sign up. You need to click on it, sign up. Basically I have already account, so I registered. How you registered I show you. First you enter your name, then your email ID, then you need to set up a password for comfortable for you. This is basically you need to remember it. Again this password which is tap for before, again tap it, then sign up. I have already account. I log in and so I click login. Now you have seen I have all logged it, so I click on login. Basically you have seen here I am zoom it. You have see here automatically USD is generated. You like to see it, and this amount I can transfer my Bitcoin wallet account. First I need to complete it $1 per day. If I created here $1, then it send my Bitcoin account. I am showing how you send it before. Then first you install, then mining is automatically started. Here you show. If you want to invest on it, here you see buy plan. You need to click on it. If you click, you have seen if you invested 5 USD, then you have get 5 gigahash. If you invested 10 gigahash, you get 10 gigahash. You need to invest $10. If you invest $10, then you get 0.425 USD per day, and this offer run 38 days. Now $20 20 gigahash, $40 40 gigahash, $50 50 gigahash, 100. You are comfortable on this amount. You invest on it and start your bonus. Then I show you how this amount you redeem. You have see here payment or withdraw option. I am click on withdrawal option. You can see here I enter amount and my Bitcoin address and then withdraw. First you have here seen maximum withdrawal amount is 1 USD. We do not charge commission. If you have get 1 USD, then you can enter here 1 USD and your Bitcoin address or anything which you have. Then click on withdrawal options. It may take after 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours, and it is automatically sent in your account, and it cannot charge a few amount. It is free. It is sent your account. This is basically a review video. If you like this website, you can work on it, you can invest on it, and get so much amount for this app. You have seen here some investor. You have seen latest 10 investor. Now today date is, you have seen 20 May. Here 20 May 7:45 to here Rose investor Rose, they have get 5 USD in their Bitcoin account. We have seen enough investor here. You can invest and withdraw it. So I hope you like this video. If you like, this video, comment and asked me how if you have any problem, mention me in comment. Thank you for watching this video.